Welcome all of the viewers and the students. Today I am going to discuss about the potentiometer and how to solve the problem. So first of all, let us proceed. Today your topic is potentiometer. Potentiometer is a very sensitive instrument, electrical instrument, which is used to determine the EMF of the cell, used to determine the internal resistance of the cell, used to compare the EMF of the cells. So first of all, now consider the electrical circuit in regard of the potentiometer. So in general, the potentiometer consists of the very long wire of 4 meter, 8 meter, 10 meter, but it folded in the different fold. For simplicity, it is considered as simply in form of the wire AB, but actually the whole length of the wire is not necessarily the 1 meter. It may be 4 meter, it may be 8 meter, it may be 10 meter, but folded in each and every 1 meter segments like that over the wooden platform, and this is the point A and B. So if it is assumed to be stressed like that, so this one is the wire of the potentiometer. So now this is the circuit, consists of the standard cell which always maintained the constant current in the wire of the potentiometer. It may be the variable resistance E and etc. So now for simplicity, this one is the figure, this is the point B. This is the driving circuit, this is the length of the potentiometer, and the cell which is to be compared now connected as shown in the figure. Suppose that this one is the cell of EMF E1 and one of the terminal is connected with the galvanometer and another is connected with the jockey light J. So the constant current passes through the wire and the balancing length is obtained. Balancing length is obtained, it means the null deflection is obtained in the galvanometer, and null deflection means there is the deflection, there is no any deflection produced by the galvanometer. So this stage of the galvanometer is at the null deflection, and this length A to J or A to C is known as the balancing length. So now come to the point and question number 3.12. So first question number 3.12. One thing is noted that the principle of the potentiometer, so the potential difference is equal to V equal to IR. V is the potential difference, I is the current, R is the resistance of the wire, and here R is equal to rho L by A, where L is the length of the wire, rho is the resistivity, A equal to area of cross section. So it is also noted that V proportional to I, and this is the principle of the potentiometer, where V equal to K into I, and here K equal to rho I A. This term V and the term, V proportional to L. So potential difference is directly proportional to the balancing length, and V by L is equal to constant, and V by L is also known as the potential gradient. So now come to the point. So the first balancing length is obtained for cell EMF E1 when the null deflection produced by the galvanometer, and this length is the first balancing length for the cell E1. So now question number 3.12 NCERT class 12, and this question: in potentiometer arrangement, a cell of EMF 1.25 volt gives a balance point at 35.0 centimeter length of the wire. So given that E1 equal to 1.25 volt, balancing length L1 equal to, first balancing length L1 equal to 35.0 centimeter, and now the cell is replaced by the another cell. So either remove this cell E1 and now using the another cell, or this one is the E1 and now connect like that, and if this one is open and this one is the closed, so the balancing length for E2 equal to, what is the EMF of the second cell? So what is the EMF of the second cell? And L2 equal to 63.0 centimeter. It means the second balancing length for E2 like this, and this length L2. Now the position of jockey is in contact of the wire at the second position like that. So very simple, E1 by E2 equal to L1 by L2. First balancing length L1 35.0 centimeter, second balancing length 63.0 centimeter, and the E2 equal to, so E1 1.25 and this one is the E2. So now E2 equal to 1.25 into 63.0 by 35.0. Now calculate the value of E2, and this much the value is equal to E2 equal to 2.25 volt. So this is the solution of the question number 3.12. Now come to the another question, and this question is another question. Another question is 3.23. Question number 3.23, and question number 3.23. This is the wire of potentiometer represented by AB. The driving circuit consists of the cell like that, and now short circuited by the resistance R, and now another resistance. This one is the X. Now this is the cell, and the galvanometer is here. So in this question, figure 3.34 shows a potentiometer circuit for comparison of two resistance. The balancing point with the standard resistor R equal to 10.0 ohm. So according to the question, given that the value of R equal to 10.0 ohm, this one, resistance of the resistor 10.0 ohm, it is found to be balance point 58.3 centimeter. So LR, balancing length, now assumed like that, and this is the length LR for the resistance R when it is closed. So LR equal to 58.3 centimeter. While that the unknown resistance X is, this is the unknown resistance. So X equal to unknown, and the balancing length for LX 68.8.5 centimeter. It means when this one is closed, so another balancing length is obtained, and this is the length LX. And here is the cell of EMF E. This is the driving circuit. So using the principle of potentiometer, V proportional to L means potential difference is directly proportional to the balancing length. And here the potential difference across R. So VR by Vx equal to LR, length of this LR and Lx. This is the equation number 1. And as we know that length is directly proportional to the resistance. So say same equation, VR by Vx equal to LR by Lx equal to R by X. This is the equation number 2. And now from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, we get, so LR by Lx. LR by Lx equal to R by X, or X equal to R into, this is the multiplication sign, Lx by LR. X equal to R means 10 into Lx, 68.5 by 58.3 centimeter, and the overall value of the X is equal to the 11.65 ohm. So this is the value of the unknown resistance. So if the balancing length is obtained by the help of the resistance R, by the help of the resistance X, so now the potential difference is directly proportional to the L. And if you have to find out or comparison the value of E, so now this circuit is omitted, and using the cell of this value having the EMF E. So this is the solution of the question number 3.23. And now come to the last question, 3. What might be, question number 3.23. The second part is what might you do if fail to find the balancing point. So the balancing point cannot be obtained when voltage across R or voltage across X is greater than the voltage across AB. So to find out the balancing point, VR or Vx always less than the VAB, and it can be possible when a suitable value of resistance is connected in the series of the external resistance. So this is the reasoning of the question number 3.23b. Now come to the question 3.24. This one is the last question. Question number 3.24, and simply now draw This is the wire of potentiometer AB. This is the driving cell or driving circuit. Only a cell of EMF 2.0 volt. Internal resistance are unknown, and the figure shows first for the cell 1.5 and the galvanometer, and this is the balancing length. The value of EMF E equal to 1.5 volt, and as we know that the principle of potentiometer V proportional to L, so the balancing length for E 1.5 volt is 76.3 centimeter. So given that E is equal to this much, balancing length L equal to 76.3 centimeter. 76.3 centimeter in this situation. And now if when a resistor 9.5 ohm is used in external circuit of the cell, it means now consider the resistor R here. And then connected, and when it is closed like that. So if it is closed, so another balancing length is obtained in the point here. So this is the length L for balancing length of cell of EMF E equal to 1.5 volt, and for resistor of the value 9.5 ohm. So the balancing length for this V equal to no, there is the external resistance R equal to 9.5 and the balance point L dash equal to, there is no application of this V, so L dash equal to 64.8 centimeter. 64.8 centimeter, it means first length 76, so this one is the here in anyway like L dash. So E equal to 1.5 volt, balancing length L, and when the external resistance 9.5 ohm is connected, to find out the another balancing length, so L dash is equal to 64.8 centimeter. Using the principle E by V equal to L by L dash, and E equal to I R plus R, V equal to I R equal to L by L dash. This value 1 plus R by R, L by L dash. R by R equal to L by L dash minus 1, and therefore internal resistance of cell, this is the negligible internal resistance. Here is the find out the value of internal resistance R. So this R equal to L by L dash minus 1 into R. There is a negligible internal resistance, but we have to find out the internal resistance of this cell. And now substituting the value, L equal to 76.3 by 64.8 minus 1 into capital R 9.5. Now the calculation of the whole internal resistance is equal to R equal to 1.7. So in this way, the potentiometer can be used to find out the EMF of the cell, internal resistance of the cell, comparison of the cell. Thank you very much.